Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that's been on a lot of people's minds lately. Are Tesla vehicles all-wheel drive? Now, before we get into the specifics, let's take a step back and talk about why this even matters. All-wheel drive, or AWD, is a system that sends power to all four wheels of a vehicle, giving it better traction and handling, especially in slippery conditions like snow or rain. So, if you're someone who lives in an area with harsh weather, or if you just want a car that can handle any situation, then AWD is a great feature to have. But are all Tesla vehicles all-wheel drive? The answer is not quite. It depends on the model and the year. Here's a breakdown of the different Tesla models and their drivetrain options. Model S, available in both rear-wheel drive, RWD, and all-wheel drive, AWD. Model 3, available in both RWD and AWD. Model X, available in AWD only. Model Y, available in both RWD and AWD. So, as you can see, not all Tesla vehicles come with AWD. If you're looking for an AWD Tesla, you'll need to choose either the Model X or one of the other models with the AWD option. Now, let's talk about the benefits of having AWD in a Tesla. One of the biggest benefits is improved traction. When you have power going to all four wheels, you're more likely to maintain traction in slippery conditions, which can help you avoid accidents. AWD can also help you accelerate faster and corner better. Another benefit of AWD is that it can help improve your fuel economy. This is because AWD systems can help you use less energy to get around, since you're not having to work as hard to overcome traction issues. Of course, there are also some drawbacks to having AWD. One of the biggest drawbacks is that it can be more expensive than RWD. AWD systems are more complex and require more parts, which can add to the cost of a vehicle. AWD can also reduce your fuel economy slightly, since it takes more energy to power all four wheels. So, is AWD worth it for a Tesla? That's a question that only you can answer. If you live in an area with harsh weather, or if you plan on doing a lot of off-roading, then AWD is definitely a worthwhile investment. However, if you're mostly driving on dry roads, then RWD may be just fine for you. Ultimately, the best way to decide if AWD is right for you is to take a test drive of both RWD and AWD Tesla models. This will give you a chance to experience the difference and see which one is the right fit for you. In addition to the benefits I've already mentioned, there are a few other things to consider when choosing between RWD and AWD Tesla models. One thing to keep in mind is that AWD models typically have a higher range than RWD models. This is because AWD systems are more efficient and use less energy. Another thing to consider is that AWD models can be more expensive to maintain than RWD models. This is because AWD systems are more complex and require more parts. Finally, it's important to note that AWD is not a magic bullet. It can help you get out of trouble in slippery conditions, but it's not a substitute for good driving habits. It's still important to drive safely and be aware of your surroundings, even if you have AWD. So, there you have it. A comprehensive look at whether or not Tesla vehicles are all-wheel drive. As you can see, the answer is not a simple yes or no. It depends on the model and the year. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to get an AWD Tesla is up to you. If you're looking for a car that can handle any situation, then AWD is a great option. However, if you're mostly driving on dry roads, then RWD may be just fine. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more One Tesla content. Thanks for watching.